If you stay to the end of this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to generate 634 or more leads in the next 30 days for your real estate business. They call me Brett Mugford, and I'm gonna show you these crazy methods 100% for free. If you stay until the very end, I'm gonna show you how you can pour some gas on this. Go from 600 to 6 freaking billion. Okay, so let's do it step by step. Step one is you wanna grab your phone, just like I'm doing right now, okay? You make sure you're standing in front of a window or a light. Look what I got right here. This was $30 on Amazon. Then you're gonna wanna take your cell phone, just like I've got set up right here, insert picture. You don't even have to have it set up on a tripod like I do. You can lean it up against some books, and another really cool trick is you can take 2 thumbtacks and put them in the wall, and your phone will actually stay on those 2 thumbtacks in the wall, and that is flat up against the wall. This is a super cool trick. And then you're gonna wanna start thinking about what are the most common questions you get asked in your real estate business. Or, Cooper, a super cool thing, I'll put a link in the description. It's called Google Trends. Go on Trends, look up real estate, and this is where it gets really juicy. You're gonna see the most interested search things. And then what you're gonna see, maybe it's a mortgage rule change across the US. They change the mortgage rules, something to do with the housing market. You're gonna see what the top searches are, what the trending searches are, what's spiking, what's going up, what's going down, and you're gonna have to make a video talking about that. Just use your cell phone like I am right now. Set it up, put a cool light there, or stand in front of a window with the window behind the phone so the light is coming in on you, and then talk about these topics. Just give your opinion, give your take from a real estate agent's perspective. Maybe it's different for the whole North America, Canada, whatever, versus your local area. So talk about that in the video. And then answer common questions. Can be 1 minute, and guess what? With these 1 minute videos, you can post them on social media, Instagram, all this, but that's not where I'm talking about how to generate the massive leads. What you're gonna do once you get this video filmed, you don't even have to do editing, just film it 2, 3, 4 takes. Make sure it's well lit, make sure the audio's good. The built-in audio is pretty good as long as you're talking straight into it. And then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna post this on frickin' YouTube. Now here is the special condition. You absolutely must do this. This is how you can turn viewers, oh, this is cool, into I wanna hire you, because you've identified yourself as the expert in that particular local marketplace. So now I'm gonna hop on a screen share, and I'm gonna show you some of the things you need to do when you upload your YouTube video. So when you go on YouTube and you click that create button, upload videos, okay, so now while your video's uploading, you put in the title right here, put what the people want to know. So this is the search terms you searched up before, Q&A. Right out of the news is a good one because it's gonna help you get some heavy hitter videos with that Google Trends. Now in the description, here's where it's very important. In your video, say something, thinking about buying, or at the end or somewhere in the middle, but not at the beginning. Make sure at the beginning you use a strong hook, something catchy, something, whoa, I gotta watch the rest of this video now. Just like I did at the beginning of this video, I talked about 600 leads, smack dab, daddy cash flow, and now you have made it this far because I have some very important stuff to tell you. So in this description, that's the title. Okay, now in the description, what you're gonna wanna put is, like I said, in your video, just somewhere, oh, by the way, thinking about buying or selling, link in the description. So now in the link in the description, here is where it is super, super important. You need to create something of value. If you are going after sellers or buyers, usually your video is gonna bend one way or the other, like 6 things sellers need to know, whatever. Put in here, free sellers guide. And even better than that, I'm gonna show you how to create this in a second. This is gonna blow your mind. Totally free tool. Or you can put something like
45 free ways to prepare your house for selling.
Okay, and then you're gonna put a link here. Now let me show you how you're gonna get that link. Okay, so to get that link, that beautiful landing page, they have so many templates. So if you start a free trial, it's totally free. You can make beautiful landing pages. So this is a simple landing page, cheaper than so many of these scammers in the real estate business, charging you hundreds of dollars to set up something like this. You can do this yourself for free, and it is extraordinarily simple. So once you're logged into lead pages, this is what it's gonna look like. And you can even sort right here, you can see by conversion rate. So let's go page type, and we're gonna do free resource and download, and then you're gonna get it. So conversion rate, right here, this is all you need, opt-in freebie. It's so simple. This is the fanciest you need the page to be. You can put your logo on there. If you want, you can add something else at the bottom, whatever it is. So ready to get your free guide, tips and recommendations for getting the most out of your home when selling it. money-saving ideas, expert advice to avoid mistakes. So you think, oh my God, I need that guide. Where am I gonna get that guide? Well, guess what? I got good news for you. Go to this website right here called atrack.io. I will put a link in the description. This is a totally free thing in partnership with Lead Pages, so I'm pretty sure this is just for Lead Pages to have it as a resource. Anybody can use it though. You can go in here and you can create these beautiful guides, type it out. You can even Google, get inspiration from some blogs. This is super simple in the business. You can put this together in just 20 minutes. Put it as the thing on your lead page here. So, in Lead Pages, there's just gonna be, when you click the get the guide thing, there'll be a little setting pop up, and all you have to do is upload your guide and everything is good to go, and you will get notified directly to your email whenever you get a new lead, and you can reach out, say, hey, or in your CRM if you have the automation campaign, hey, what's going on? Watch some of my other videos, I talk about that, and make sure you put that link in the description, okay? Then put some other stuff, okay, like your Instagram page, your Facebook page, your phone number, the brokerage you're with, and super, super important, use a custom thumbnail. So this is so easy, Canva. Okay, so I know so many are familiar with Canva. All you have to go in here is right here, YouTube thumbnail, okay, and then on the left-hand side here, you will see all these different templates. Just pick one and go with it. These are beautiful, ready to go. Simply could not be any simpler. And then put that as your custom thumbnail right here. And tags. So tags are where you're gonna put the search terms. So think about what are people going to be searching, okay? And go link in the description for my free video about TubeBuddy to help you select the best tags. Okay, so now if you're ready to start pouring gasoline on this, because that's gonna get you some organic traffic just from people searching it, looking it up, they're gonna discover you. If you wanna pour gasoline on that fire with paid ads and you wanna turn one video, you're making a video about some news topic, it's 5-10 minutes long, how to break that one video down into 100 different pieces of content to post on LinkedIn, Instagram, friggin' TikTok, Facebook, everywhere in just 15 minutes. Click below and I'll have a free training and I will see you there.